Welcome everyone. This is Reverend Terri Newlon of TerriNewlon.com, channel for Ascended Master Djwhal Khul since 1980. This is the spirituality article, information for the week of September 27, 2012. Djwhal Khul, here, Tashi Delay. All right. We have a new phenomenon occurring, and I'd say all of creation is feeling the effects of it. I'm going to call it ether dispersement, and see if I can explain a little bit about it so that you have an understanding of it and some ways to work with life forms, your own body, bodies of your family, pets, and whatnot. In the way that we spiritually study creation, everything that exists is fluid or liquid. So we're looking at everything, even things like ether or things that appear to be space or air. It's really liquid. If you've ever seen a demonstration of making water wetter, like perhaps the Shackley product Basic Age, or I think there are a few other things out there that are similar. Crystal energy. I'm seeing something, I'm going to say automotive maybe, and other ways of treating drinking water. So basically, if you put a bead of water on a table, and then you introduce another thing to it, the bead of water can no longer stay a bead. It just runs very flat. So essentially, this is happening with the ethers. The ethers are becoming wetter or dispersing. In the way in which it works with the physical body, it affects the pH balance, it affects the electrolytes, and it affects the minerals in the body. I'm going to recommend ionic minerals, maybe a negative ion generator in the home to get the body compatible with it. Certainly good to alkalize the body. Some simpler methods are just squeeze some lemon in some water. The fresh squeeze, please, because the already packaged juice, I think, has sulfites, or there's chemicals in there. Certainly, I can see the chemicals. If your body runs too hot, use lime instead of lemon. You can take a little aluminum-free baking soda and sprinkle that in some water, and just a little bit, and drink it down. You might try grapefruit seed extract. There are drops that like MSM drops and different things that you can add to water to alkalize it. And then you could also consider, well, I like the Vitalizer Plus, which is a vortex water. We have that available on the website for purchase. Let me see what else is coming up. Electrolytes. Very, very important to put electrolytes into the body daily. You can use something like Emergency or their Electromix, which is in a packet, easy to travel, and you can add some to some water and stir it as you want. And then the other one that I like with zero sugar is called Ultima Replenisher. And you might look at luckyvitamin.com or a site like that where you can get it for a discounted price. So think in terms of what happens to the physical body when you switch to a more alkaline water and a wetter water, and a few other, and the electrolytes are balanced and the pH is balanced. Well, it means that the body starts to release toxins. The body will get rid of all kinds of things, heavy metals, pesticides, etc. So if we look at space, essentially you're going to see more debris in space, or more particles. And there are different charges to particles, positive and negative, and different components there that also affect space. So I think we're going to see more planets breaking up, or stars breaking up, fields of debris floating through, and hopefully being dissolved by atmosphere and whatnot. But we're getting into the soupy part of as we're rotating into the universe, and this ether disbursement is really part of the survival plan, essentially. In the body, likewise, cleansing, gentle cleansing, maybe time to change the lifestyle habits, or you might just find you need a lot more sleep because the body is releasing the toxins. You want your skin as your biggest elimination organ, and also the biggest organ that drinks in nutrients, to be well nourished. Please don't put petroleum products on it. Use natural things, shea butter or shea butter oil, things like that. Kukui nut oil is also very good and nourishing to the skin. Let me see what else we're coming up with here. MSM lotions are going to be quite nice to soften the skin and let it breathe better. Important to balance the autonomic nervous system. I'm quite a fan of the Life Vessel for that reason. And you can probably put in lifevesselarizona.com and then find all the sites that have life vessels. They're in the USA and several locations. Let me see what else is coming. Also, again, that machine chelates out the toxins, molds, and all kinds of things so that the autonomic nervous system can be balanced. Let's see what else is coming up here. I've been talking about kind of past, present, and future blending together, or that multi-dimensional reality is sort of blending together. So we're really experiencing a multiverse instead of a universe. And there's more opportunity, actually, especially if you need that extra sleep, to sort of find yourself going forward and back in time and altering the outcome. Say maybe in a past life a best friend stabbed you in the back or something, literally, and you go back to that, find yourself back in that scene at a dream or just a flashback of some sort, and you just pull the knife out of yourself and help yourself heal. Or you step before that time and get out of the way, that kind of thing. So you can actually alter a lot right now in a very positive direction. All right. As always, thank you and my love to you.